Hi, second graders, it's Miss Anderson. Today we're going to read a story called Splash, Learn About Water. It's by Nadia Higgins. Let's get started. Contents: Wet water, page 4. Cold, hard ice, page 8. Invisible water vapor, page 16. Amazing water, page 20. The three forms of water, page 23. Words to know, page 24. Wet water. Drink it, spill it, splash it, spray it. Water is wet. It is a liquid. It is fun to splash in water on a hot summer day. Liquid water rains down from clouds. It rushes in rivers and fills lakes. It soaks deep into the ground. It swirls in the ocean and crashes on the shore. Water can be found deep underground. Water is also found above ground. Cold, hard ice. But liquid water changes. It gets cold, it freezes, it becomes hard ice. Ice chunks float on a lake. A snowflake is made of ice. It is full of holes, like lace. When snowflakes pile up, they make white fluffy snow. Snow blankets the ground on a calm winter day. A snowflake usually has 6 sides. The coldest parts of Earth are covered in sheets of ice. Glaciers creep over land. Giant ice chunks float on the Arctic Ocean. A glacier is a slow-moving river of ice. But ice changes. It warms up. It melts back into liquid water. The warm sun melts an icicle. Invisible water vapor. If water warms up enough, it changes another way. It breaks up into bits too tiny to see. They float away. They become water vapor. Water vapor is a part of invisible air. Clothes dry because water has turned into water vapor. But then water vapor changes. It cools down. It forms tiny drops of liquid water. The drops may form clouds in the sky, or fog over land, or dew that coats the grass in the morning. Fog is like a cloud that is close to the ground. Amazing water. Most of Earth is covered by water, and it's a good thing too. Plants suck up the water with their thirsty roots. People and animals slurp it up too. Every living thing needs water to stay alive. A tree's roots seek water deep under the ground. Think of all the ways you use water. For drinking, for cooking, for washing, for flushing. And water never runs out. It just keeps changing between its 3 forms. The 3 forms of water. Water vapor is a gas. It is part of invisible air. Water is a liquid. It is wet. Ice is a solid. It is cold and hard. Words to know: dew, fog, glaciers, liquid, water vapor. Thanks for reading with me today.